Hey everyone, Rod the Tool Guy here with ARES Tools. Today we're going to talk about and demo our 12104 and our 12105 tie rod tools. Our 12104 universal tie rod end tool is constructed of heat-treated forged steel, has a 19mm hex head forcing screw, and 2 inches of clearance. We have a nice chrome plated finish on the body and black phosphate finish on the forcing screw. It's designed to fit squarely on the tie rod ends for compact and mid-sized cars. A lot of your front ends on some of your older cars too. It's designed to fit small spaces, especially on those inner tie rod ends. And it's also good for pitman arm service. Here we have our 12105 outer tie rod end tool. As you can see, it's much larger size, able to handle those heavier duty applications with plenty of clearance. It's also great for larger jobs like your SUVs, trucks, heavy duty vehicles. It's constructed of a high quality heat treated drop forged steel, chrome plating, black phosphate finish on the forcing screw. The jaws have a wide range of adjustability in their function zone. We have a special design jaw end that angles upward, which helps prevent the jaws from slipping when force is applied. Also, we have a cup design on the end of the forcing screw that keeps the tool centered when you're pressing down on the tie rod end. This also allows you to apply a great deal of force securely for those stubborn tie rod ends. So you can see the difference between the two tools. The 12104 really shines when it comes to those tight spaces, especially on the inner tie rod ends and some of the pitman arm services, where the 12105 is ideal for the big jobs with a wide range of adjustability for those large and small tie rods, and the stubborn rusted outers that can be really hard. So it can really hold on securely, giving you the max force. So let's put them to use. I've decided to do a quick tabletop demonstration on this 05 tool. It will show more on how everything sets up very clearly outside of the car. You have that cupped in, and you can see that that sets down and on top of that, just like that. And then you can start bringing this in like so, make sure everything's square. And you see how the angle of those jaws, as I tighten it up, it just draws it in. And you snug it up, ready to go. And this allows you to get that force on there to break it loose. Okay, so you've removed your cotter pin, you've got your castellated nut out of the way. So I'm just going to kind of show you how this sets up on here. This is not really the one you would use on this particular thing, but the setup is the same idea. You back off your forcing screw and you slide it in here like so, and then you run your forcing screw up and it'll pop your tie rod out. So basically pretty straightforward, handy dandy, as you can see, for tight spaces, especially when you're getting inside on those rear wheel drive cars. Okay, so this is a nice heavy duty application, perfect for a tool like this, and as you see, the adjustability of the jaws really helps in a situation like this. And you want to try and get it squared up on it as possible. Go ahead and snug it up, and now you're ready to proceed. Just like that. So that's our 12104 and our 12105 tie rod end removal tools. They complement each other very nicely, so it's good to have both on hand to take care of the front end work. So thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.